I recorded this video Saturday, September 28th after Hurricane Helene hit Florida late on the 26th. Then the absolute devastation hit North Carolina and East Tennessee on the 27th of September, 2024. Even here in Kentucky, a lot of folks lost power and had property damage, but it doesn't compare to the loss of loved ones and utter destruction I've seen in the heart-wrenching stories people are telling in videos on social media. It's with a heavy heart I explore Bourbon Iron Works furnace on this day. My heart still aches for the survivors over a week later. Not a lot of talking in this video. I made with a somber state of mind. If you'd like to help the hurricane victims, please check for your local organizations taking donations, especially in the Southeast. Thank you. This is the Bourbon Iron Furnace. Bourbon Iron Works furnace. And it was built in 1791. This goes to nowhere. You can see the creek is overflowed real bad. Hurricane Helene, the remnants of it came through Kentucky the day before yesterday. There's a tree down over there at the gate. You can see the fire pit. Really cool. It's officially fall. Creek is well up over its banks.